I'm basically Hilal Ahmad. I'm working with the Ajman municipality as a system admin. We are basically take care of all the infrastructure in terms of data center, in terms of domain level, exchange level, application level. So currently we are using some of the products from the ManageEngine, which includes your AD auditing, exchange engine. What we have done is we have basically distributed tasks towards the end user support, where for example any user is going to join or some user is going to leave. Because we are in the operation side, it will be very difficult for us to follow up every time the user joining, user leaving, and some account disable, enable. So what we have done is we have distributed tasks through the AD management, where the users have the privilege, and on the basis of that privilege they are going to create users, they are going to define the basic settings. So this task, which was early times very headache in terms of the operation level, so this helps us to divide the task for the end users, and for them also it's very easy for them because the things are very well defined in the structure, and for the end users they just need a click and define things. Yeah, these tools helps us a lot in terms of finding the information very easily. If you look for some particular information from domain level, from the exchange level, we have to do a lot of administration, a lot of work, and a lot of time we have spent for specific information. But sometimes the manager demands some information, or for ourselves we want to find some information. Really we have to just go in the ManageEngine and just look for this information or the options which you look for, and you will get a complete graphical report, which helps a lot. Currently our AD is on 2008 R2 from the Microsoft, and the tools that we are using for the AD is basically the ManageEngine from the AD audit, which we are using currently for monitoring the logs, for any change from the AD level, from the group policy level, from the system level. These all is information available in the AD audit. So from there we can get information very easily. We are looking for this time as for the ISO 2007. For that purpose also they are asking some reports. If we are going to do it from the AD level directly or the exchange level, it will be very difficult for us. But because of this AD management and audit, this one, we have one option called reporting. So where you can go and you have many options. For example, last user created, last user log on, or you want a monthly report, you want a weekly report. These all are basically predefined templates here. You simply have to go there and create the reports. And for the managers also, for the audit people also, for them also they can easily understand what happening between this period of time. In terms of exchange report, no, Microsoft, they have defined things in a tricky way. Some of the information you get in a graphical way, some of the information you have to use some scripts, which we call as the PowerShell. So through PowerShell you can find out the information. Again, you have to remember the scripts and you have to type it, you have to memorize it, or then finally you get the information, and that too in the text format. So now when we use this Exchange ManageEngine, now you only have to go in the options and look which information you need. Those information will come within a minutes in front of you, that too in the graphical way. You don't have to look out in terms of the script level, in terms of the exchange level. Just go there and you can find the information. Even for the managers, they don't have to come to the exchange server and look for the information. They too can keep monitoring what happened between the 10 days, what happened between 1 month. So because the things are very graphical, just go and open the options. So in terms of database level creation, in terms of database storage, like user quota, these all are defined there. You just have go there and find what you need. Before this, using the ManageEngine, when we have to look for some logs, or sometimes we have some error, some issue in terms of application level, in terms of user level, we mostly go to the event viewers and check the logs. But as we know, when you open the logs, it's quite difficult for you to understand what log is actually. And second thing is you have thousands of logs, so very difficult to find out the logs, and plus you have to put lot of challenge you have, and you have to look for a particular errors. Sometimes you have some error code which you cannot understand, then you have to go Google it, find the information. Early we were having so much queries coming to us for about the user problems from the database level. Then we have to look out very deeply from the exchange level, from the AD level, to look about the exact information, and that too we have to take a lot of time to find the information. But right now, because the things are more graphical and more easy for the users, you simply have to go and find the information. So it not only reduces the time, it also reduces more tasks to do. So you simplified it very easy. So instead of using more stuff, you can use within a very less time, you can find out the information.